If you don't know where you are, you can't possibly decide where to go. Accounting can tell you where you are. And maybe the other thing to think of is you can't make good decisions with bad data. I like that one as much as anything. So accounting gives you the data to make better business decisions. The foundation of all business decisions really comes back to accounting. If you're in business to make money, only proper accounting is going to tell you whether you're profitable or not. Let's take an example. Say you want to spend more money on Google advertising. Seems like a good idea. You've got some money in the bank. Why not? Well, do you know the expected return on the investment of Google advertising? Do you know your cost of customer acquisition? Do you know your lifetime value of a customer? Before you even put another dollar into Google advertising, those are 3 good accounting numbers that you should figure out. If you're spending more on Google advertising than the value of the customer you're getting back, you can buy Google ads all day long and head right into bankruptcy. So accounting is the discipline and the data that you need to make better business decisions on the operations, in sales, in marketing, in hiring people, in pricing. All of that relates back to the foundation of how is my business doing now? What are my numbers? So get your books right, get your head right, make better decisions.